over here.
Okay.
You videoing?
Oh yeah.
A wild grouse.
Wow. That is very surprising, but there's the other one's crackers.
So when he starts cracking you.
Look at my face. Okay.
Oh. Whoa, look at him now.
Up.
Wow.
Does it hurt?
No, it really doesn't.
Oh, now he's going to start pecking the top of your head. Oh! Oh, he's going to poop in your hair.
Come on up again. Now he wants my hair, I think. Come on up here.
He's like, I'm not satisfied anymore with just your lap.
Mm.
He's like, up, and away.
Isn't that wild?
Hell yeah.